1. Espresso is a concentrated coffee made by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee beans under high pressure. It has a rich flavor and is the base for many coffee drinks. Benefits: gives a quick energy boost, rich in antioxidants, very low in calories when served plain. Drawbacks: too much caffeine may cause anxiety or jitters. Drinking it late in the day can affect sleep. 2. Americano. An Americano is made by adding hot water to a shot of espresso. It has a smoother taste while keeping the rich coffee flavor. Benefits: low in calories. Great choice for black coffee lovers. Less intense than espresso. Drawbacks: still contains caffeine. May taste bitter without milk or sweetener. 3. Affogato. Affogato is a delicious coffee dessert made by pouring hot espresso over vanilla ice cream. Benefits: a perfect mix of coffee and dessert. Provides quick energy. Great as an occasional sweet treat. Drawbacks: high in sugar and calories. Not suitable for people trying to reduce sugar intake. 4. Egg coffee. Egg coffee is made by mixing espresso with whipped egg yolk and sweetened condensed milk, creating a rich and creamy drink. Benefits: good source of protein. Rich creamy texture, more filling than regular coffee. Drawbacks: higher in calories. Not suitable for people with egg allergies. Should be prepared using fresh, safely handled eggs. 5. Latte. A latte is made with espresso, steamed milk, and a thin layer of milk foam. It has a smooth and creamy taste. Benefits: creamy and easy to drink. Good source of calcium when made with dairy milk. Less bitter than black coffee. Drawbacks: higher in calories than black coffee. Flavored lattes may contain added sugar.